everyone, it's Jennifer, and it's day 7 for the Advent. And, yep, I should have looked this one up too, and I didn't. 3, 6, and we are on to day 7. So let's pop it open, and this time it is a snowman, and it says Spot the Snowman. And here is the snowman. And we'll pull out the fudge, and it is a fudge, and here is the snowman. Snowman's hiding. Alright, so here's our tea for today, Mint Melody, and it has real mint leaves in it. I can't wait for that. So, let's go on to day 7 for Southern Skeins. And get that twisted up and open. Get it off there. And here is day 7. Looks very much like it would go with yesterday's yarn. But that's really pretty. I love that. Alright. And let us open up Paw Ply. It's a bright color in the packaging. And here's the name of this one. The Guiding Star. That really does suit the name. I love that color. And they look phenomenal together. They really do. Squishy, squishy. That yellow one is really squishy. Just saying. They're really pretty. So we got those two. And we are going on to Hobby Lobby's, and boy is it big. And here it is. It's day 7. Big and skinny. So let's take a look. Oh. There's something else. Right there. Okay, the first two things that pop out are washi tapes. And here's the 2 prints. Come on, come in. There it is, little houses and little crosses. I like those. The second thing that jumped out are some tags. And those are cute with the little gnomes. And let's see what else is in the pocket. This big pocket. This big envelope. I better keep the envelope. I might need to store what this is in there. There's 3 different ones. And it looks like wrapping paper. So there's 3 different wrapping papers. The first one is a sheet that looks like this. There it is. The second one is like this. And look, it's got Hobby Lobby on it. That's adorable. And the third one is, I love what it says. Merry Christmas, Yarn Squish, Snuggle, Warm and Cozy. That's adorable. So it came with 3 sheets of wrapping paper, and they are this big. Here's how big they are. So they're not real big, ginormous sheets, but they're good sized pieces of paper, of wrapping paper. So that's really cool. So you've got 3 sheets of wrapping paper and some tags. And of course, washi tape to tape it all up. So that's really cool. I kind of like that idea. That's different. So that was neat. So we got the wrapping paper, the name tags, the washi tape, the 2 delightful skeins of yarn, the tea, and the fudge. And that was all for day 7. I hope you guys are enjoying the Advents with me. I know I am really enjoying them. Please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.